In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tailgate cable on this Ford Ranger. The same process will apply to both, and you want to do one at a time so that the other cable can support the tailgate while you replace this one. Let's get started. To begin, lift up on the tailgate and push this strap up until it lines up with the larger cutout and pull it out. However, the strap is supposed to have a little tab here. This one's broken off, but this is what it's supposed to look like. On the new one, it has it where you have to pull out on it so you can actually release it. Otherwise, this is what it's going to look like. So basically, you'd have to either put your fingernail up there or a little pocket screwdriver. And then you want to use a T45 Torx bit and remove this bolt. This is also a bolt that holds this striker plate on, so make sure you don't move this too much. There you go. A little retaining washer fell out from behind it. You can discard this if that happens to you. Either way, here's your cable. Take your new cable, make sure it's the correct side. As you can see, this is cut out so that the cable is, or the eyelet of the cable is recessed in towards the tailgate. Tighten it up. Make sure the cable actually floats over this shank of the bolt. And then take your new cable, lift up the tailgate to line it up, hook it over, and drop it back down. Now repeat the process to the other side if you need to.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.